Hello everyone and welcome to the first tutorial of the Learn HTML series. In this series we are going to make you learn and understand HTML so you can create your own websites. This series is for everyone, so you can start this without any knowledge about HTML or programming. After this tutorial you will be able to develop basic websites and you will be ready to learn other languages to improve your website, like CSS and JavaScript. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your programming environment. To create HTML web pages, we need a computer, a browser, and a text editor. Any modern browser will do, like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, for example. I'm using Mozilla Firefox. The text editor I will use will be Notepad for Windows, so we don't need to install anything. If you're a Mac user, I would suggest using TextEdit. If you like to use a more advanced text editor, I would suggest using Notepad++ or Sublime Text. But as a beginner, it is advised to use a simple text editor so you can learn better. If you got all of the requirements, let's start by creating our first web page. So let's open Notepad. I do it like this. Notepad. To open Notepad. And let's type in the following text. Hello world. Now we save the file as a HTML file, so file save as. Let's call this file my first web page .html. Now save the file. Remember the folder where you save the file. I saved the file in my HTML folder. So after we save the file, we can double click on it to open it in our standard browser. Or if you want to choose another browser, you can also choose to right click the file, select open with, and you can choose your browser that you want to open the file with. I'm going to open it in Firefox. So double click. And here we go. We see our text that we typed in the HTML file is now displayed in our web page. So we see that there is hello world displayed. The browser recognizes the file as HTML because of its extension. As you can see here, it's a .html file. And the browser knows how to display the file as a web page. So congratulations, we have now made our first web page. Now, we've only typed in some text in our HTML file, hello world, but this is not how a proper HTML file normally looks like. In the next video, we will learn how to use the correct syntax for an HTML file. So, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.